Hollow 7.1 non-stop hip-hop. It's about to be the first time we're about to put it down on the radio. But you know what? If you heard it in the streets, it's all good because this one is going to blow up the radio. Non-stop is what it's going to do when we start playing it. His name is Young D. It's called I Say I. We live with it. Hollow 7.1 non-stop hip-hop. Let's go.
See me shine, but this is God's plan. Relationships so strong with him, you don't even have a chance. Fall from grace, you wish I would. The things I do, you wish you could. I'm changing my approach, so when I speak, make sure you hear me good. Let's clarify some things up. Me and God are teamed up, so all this fakeness y'all been embracing, getting cleaned up. No, this ain't no dream, bruh. I hopped off the team bus, I asked for my release. They like for what? Because they team suck. They ain't wanna pass the ball. That's okay, I got it now. Crunch time, beat set. Make sure that I knock this down. Never running out around. Think it's time to shut it down. You don't really want it, they gon' find you in a lost and found. Nothing's where I came from. Sit back and remain calm. I'ma get us out this ditch. Never die, change bun. We not from the same Lord. Watch me go and aim for 'em. I deserved it. Matter of fact, that's what I'm playing for. I say I be the illest. I say I be the realest. I say I be the sickest. Say it back, gon' feel it. I say I be the illest. I say I be the realest. I say I be the sickest. Say it back, gon' feel it. Say I know ain't a soul close to me, 'cause this is real rap. Say they made it out and tell me why you still trap. Ain't nothing for a lie to tell. Or maybe he ain't sell so well. Plus how you beat them charges when you ain't never seen a jail. All that talk is make believe, but real gon' be by fakery. The only pies you ever seen was off in Kroger's bakery. Can't let no take from me, plus I do this creatively. Hands down, I'm the best in town, and that's from A to Z. I just waited patiently, I carried out my nation's beat. My only trust in one man, Jesus Christ, that's my belief. That's how I reached the place I reached. They listen when it's me. Them lanes had the game, and they gon' hand it over to the me. Solid ground, they plant their feet, ain't reach that place I plan to reach. Defying all gravity, my feet may never touch the street. My soul could never sit and beat. These rappers, I'ma sit and beat. You say I sound like Pop? No, that's the real to me. I say I be the illest. I say I be the realest. I say I be the sickest. Say it back, gon' feel it. I say I be the illest. I say I be the realest. I say I be the sickest. Say it back, gon' feel it. I say I.
No doubt about it, man. You know what it is. You know who I am. The world famous DJ Lomax. Naptown's finest, doing it real big right here. MEM10, my man Young D. Don't ask why, say I. Yeah.